Everybody, hope you're having a good day. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Glenn. If you're new here, welcome. Today's video is another unboxing, and as you can see, it's from my most favorite brand of leather goods, Longchamp. I have a total of 2 items in this bag that I'm holding right now. And this is the first item. So I was at the Longchamp outlet store the other day because I wanted to look for a wallet. Not just any wallet. I mean, I'm not really looking for like a billfold or a small coin purse. What I have in mind is another long wallet or continental wallet with lots of space for credit cards and cash and even coins. So this is the Longchamp Cuir 3/4 zip wallet in the color Nordic blue. The leather on the Cuir line of Longchamp is one of my favorites. And as you can see, I love smelling my leather goods, and this is no exception. Love the smell of this leather. The zipper pull zips all the way around to one side. The other side is gusseted, so when you open the wallet, it opens really wide, which I love. One side of the wallet, the inside of the wallet, has 6 card slots, and then another 6 card slots on the other side. And then there's an additional 2 card slots on one of the dividers. I also found this small pocket on the other side. There are 2 compartments for your bills in the center. This is fabric lined with their LGP logo printed on it. And then, of course, in the center of the wallet is the main zip compartment where you can put your coins or receipts. Found this wallet in the clearance section of the Longchamp outlet store that I went to. Since this style of wallet came out a few years back, they're all sold out, unfortunately, everywhere except for one online store, and that is Nordstrom Rack, which I will link down below in the description. And so now let me show you how I packed this wallet, filled with all the stuff that I usually take with me. On one side, you can see I have my license, my Costco membership. I have AAA membership card also, and some grocery cards. And on the other side of the wallet, I have my medical and dental insurance cards. I have here some leftover coins, and of course they go inside the center zip compartment. And then here I have some bills I usually separate the bigger bills with the smaller bills. So I'm putting the $20 bills on one side and the smaller bills, like $5, $1 bill, on the other side. This small pocket on the other side, I'll be leaving it empty for now, because this is where I plan to put my receipts. And that is pretty much what I bring with me on a daily basis inside my wallet. And now on to the second item that I purchased. So this is the Re-Play Porte-clés Keyring. So except for the keyring itself and a little part in the flower, which I will show you in a bit, this is entirely made of cowhide leather. What you do to open this up is just push down and it opens up pretty easily. As you can see, there are two pieces hanging from the keyring. So this item doesn't only serve as a keyring to hang your keys in, but it also can be used as a bag charm, which I will show you next. I have two Longchamp bags in which I would like to try this keyring / bag charm. First is my Longchamp Re-Play medium long handle tote in the color khaki. The second bag that I would like to try the keyring / bag charm on is this Longchamp Cavalcade in the small size, in this taupey light gray color. As you can see, the taupey light gray color of the bag matches perfectly with the tassel and the inverted flower. I can easily carry this bag as a crossbody, but my preferred way of carrying this bag is like a briefcase with the shoulder strap hanging, like so.